Hi, Amol. Hello, everyone. It's a very, very important question how tech can empower SMEs. As we've already seen, the fintech platforms have already achieved a global turnover of approximately $5 trillion. And out of this $5 trillion, probably 70% of the transactions are still being utilized in the payments mechanism. So while the banks are creating these platforms which are getting stronger day by day, the current implementation still lies largely in the payment mechanisms in the B2C segment. SMEs, if I talk about India and probably a lot of other countries, a lot of other developing and developed countries, do account for a major chunk of industrial GDP that the countries are producing and are really the backbones of all the entire industrial activities. The biggest problem that I see with SMEs is their ability to reach out, is their ability to talk about their products to more and more number of customers. And I feel that promotion is probably the most expensive challenge that is in front of SMEs at any given point of time. What we have not been able to do so far is, while we have very robust, reliable, and scalable systems on the technology platform for creating an enabling platform for the payments mechanism for the buyer and seller to talk to each other, I see a lot of light in the end of the tunnel in the promotional segment. The technology can create a lot of solutions for SMEs to promote their products, to bring out their products to a large number of audience, connect to more customers. More customers definitely means more business. And imports, annual global imports in merchandise itself is around $13 trillion. And if you will add the services sector to it, another $7 more trillion. So $21 trillion business lying ahead of us in overseas exports, e-commerce exports, just for the SME segment. And this is probably the future of how the fintech will be in the next couple of years. And while we have come a long way, created a technology which is very reliable, which is very fast, and of course, thanks to 2020, people have put to rest all the inhibitions on technology usage. They are much more free with technology. They now trust technology much more, and it's probably the starting of a golden era, as I would say. And our recent MOU with Proxtera and the formation of white label platform for Business Sans Borders, it's probably our first baby step to enter into the global e-commerce exports market, wherein we can overcome the challenges of SME product promotion, SME exports, also link the minute issues with regards to exports, such as testing agencies, such as logistics, supply chain issues. And also, one must not forget how the WTO multilateral and bilateral regimes have shaped up over this period of years. It's like a complex web of free trade agreements, of comprehensive economic partnerships, of multilateral trade agreements, RCEP, TPIs. All these agreements also bring in a lot of trade concessions. And eventually, what I see is the technology will be able to bridge in all the benefits that are accrued in form of duty concessions. The pricing, the competitiveness of SMEs will be boosted up in a very, very nice manner. So in my personal opinion, technology is the way to go as far as SME exports is concerned.